So, the word hypotenuse, pronounced hypotenuse. What does that even mean? Well, let's take a right triangle for example. This isn't a right triangle, but just think of it as one. Most drawings in an exam aren't to scale. Anyhow, we can say that this is a right triangle if it has at least one or the one angle as, well, a right angle. For those who forgot, a right angle is exactly 90 degrees, 1/4 of a full circle. This is a right angle, okay? So, the word hypotenuse means the longest side of a triangle. The longest side of a right triangle specifically. This word hypotenuse is not actually meant to be used in any other context. It's not meant to be used with quadrilaterals, nor with circles, nor with physics. It's meant to be specifically used with trigonometry and, even more specifically, right triangles only. You can use it in other subjects if you're talking about the longest side of a right triangle within the constraints of, well, trigonometry, Pythagoras Theorem, or something like that. If you're talking about specifically the longest side of a right triangle, you can use the word hypotenuse in any case.